This NPC uses pathfinding to locate me. Here's how it works. We start by grabbing the ROBLOX services we need. Players is used to find targets. Pathfinding service is used to move around obstacles. Run service is used for smooth updates. Next, we reference the NPC model, its humanoid for movement, and its humanoid root part for position tracking. These values control how the NPC behaves. Detect radius sets how far the NPC can notice players. Stop distance prevents jitter when the NPC gets too close. Direct tick controls how often the NPC updates during direct chasing. Path tick controls how often we allow pathfinding to recalculate. Waypoint skip distance prevents stuttering by skipping tiny waypoint steps. Stuck retry time detects when the NPC is not moving. Move timeout limits how long a move attempt can take. Target repath move forces a new path when the target position changes enough. Agent settings describe the NPC's size and abilities, so pathfinding generates correct routes. Raycast settings are used for line-of-sight checks. The NPC is excluded, so it does not block its own vision. Next is the nearest function. It finds the closest alive player within the detection radius. It loops through all players, checks that their character exists and is alive, measures distance, and keeps the closest target. Next is the line-of-sight check. A raycast is fired from the NPC to the target to see if anything blocks vision. If the ray hits nothing, the NPC can see the target. If it hits something else, line of sight is blocked. Next is path computation. This builds a waypoint path to the target and only returns it if pathfinding succeeds. The computation is wrapped safely, so the script does not crash if pathfinding fails. Next is the move function. This moves the NPC to a position and watches for timeouts or stuck movement. If the NPC reaches the position, movement succeeds. If it takes too long, movement fails. If the NPC stops changing position for too long, it is considered stuck and the move fails. These variables store the active path, the current waypoint index, and timing information to control repathing. Now, the main loop runs while the NPC is alive. First, the nearest target is selected. If no target is found, the NPC waits briefly and tries again. If the NPC is too close to the target, movement stops to prevent jitter. If the NPC can see the target, pathfinding is skipped and the NPC runs directly toward the player. If the NPC cannot see the target, it checks whether a new path is needed. A new path is created if enough time has passed or the target moved far enough. If a path exists, the NPC follows the waypoints. Waypoints that are already reached are skipped to keep movement smooth. If a waypoint requires jumping, the NPC jumps. The NPC attempts to move to the waypoint. If movement fails, the path is cleared and recalculated. If no valid path exists, the NPC attempts a short direct move so it does not freeze. A small delay is added so the loop stays efficient. The result is an NPC that always chases the nearest player.